Okay, now in this part we are going to do upper body strength and conditioning. The movements that we have used, that we are going to use is push-ups, renegade rows, so things like that. So 2 push-ups we have picked up. The first one is the usual push-up, then we have Hindu push-ups as well, and we have suicide planks also. So we are going to focus on our shoulders, our chest muscles, yes. So and renegade rows. So renegade rows majorly focuses on lats, which is your upper back muscles. So let's get started. So push-ups will be, the primary movers are your pectoral muscles or your chest muscles, and obviously your triceps and your deltoids and lats will also, traps will also be used. So let's get started. The first set, so we are going to use normal push-ups only, making sure that we have the form in the right place. So your legs are, your hands are slightly more than the shoulder width, not too wide, slightly more than the shoulder width. So that's your plank stance. This is your push-up stance. Now from here, when you go down in a push-up, your elbows make a 60-degree angle and you come up, okay? And when you're coming up, don't go back, okay? You need to stay there. Your hands are right beneath your chest, okay? Watch it from the side. So if I'm here, my hands are right beneath the chest. And you go down, fold your elbows, come back up in a straight line. Go down, fold your elbows, come back up in a straight line. Yes, let's do that 8 counts, everyone. If you want to do it on the knees, you can do it on the knees as well. But make sure your entire body goes down in one go. Radhika, you need to show me a side angle. Turn around your mat. Radhika, you will be doing it on your knees, not like this. On your knees, yes. Elbows turned inside. Hands slightly closer to your chest. Just go down an inch further, and that's about it. Okay. Dipen, you will be doing full push-ups. Even if you are able to do half of those, that's fine, because with you, our core strength we need to focus on. Okay. Radhika, relax yourself. All right. So, in the second set, we will be focusing 10 push-ups. Radhika, please watch it. So, the knee push-ups go like this. You are here. Slightly tilt your body forward. But your hands still remain beneath your chest. Okay? On the side of your shoulders, slightly beneath your chest. Lift up your legs. Now from here, you may just go an inch further and come back. Okay, just go an inch further and come back. Watch my elbows. So don't do this and don't do this. Both are wrong. Okay? So keep your hands closer to your chest. When you go down, as deep and come back up. If you can't go deeper, just go an inch and come back. Then you will be doing a full push-up. Okay? Even if you are able to reach half level. So with you, even if you do this, it is fine, because your core strength has to be built up more. Your chest strength is fine. Okay? Alright, let's do second set, everyone. 10 counts. Yes. Good, Radhika. Much better, much better. Bas yahin se wapas aao. Yes, don't go down further. Yes, come back, Radhika. Yes, yes. Good, good. Come back, yes. Just go an inch and come back. Neeti, good. Yes. 10 counts of these. Okay. Slightly relax yourself. You must be feeling it on your arms and triceps. Yes. So relax yourself before you do the third set. Take good rest. So at least 1 minute of rest before you do the third set, so that your body is prepared. Because we are going to do 12 counts now. You need to finish 12 counts, even if you are dead after 8 rounds, 8 reps. So just lie down or take a breather of 10 seconds or so and do 4 more. Okay, 12 counts you have to do, everyone. All right, let's get ready. 12 counts of push-ups. Simple movement push-ups. Yes. 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 Kunal, take your hips also down along. Not only chest. Kunal, take your hips also down. Tilt your body. Yes, much better. Much better. Tilt your body more. Tilt your body more. Yes. So what do I mean by tilting the body? So just watch it. So if you are here, if you do it like this, if you are on all fours and you do it, you won't be able to go down from your hips. You need to slightly tilt your body like this and then go down. Alright, then you will be able to do. So पूरी body नीचे जानी चाहिए ऐसे. अगर नहीं जा रही, just this much is also fine. But don't do this. Okay? Alright, if you are done, you can start walking, everyone. If you have done 3 sets, you can start walking. Okay, good Dipin, good. Alright, let's move to the next movement, which is your suicide planks. So suicide planks basically focus on your traps, deltoid lats. Okay, and of course chest muscles are used, pecs are also used. Just watch it. So you are going to be in the plank stance now. Here. Okay. Now from here, from your palm planks, go down on your elbow planks. And as you go down on your elbow planks, make sure your torso also comes down. Don't stay here. You need to bring your torso also down. Now again come back up. Again come down, come back up. Come down, come back up. Yes, let's do that. 10 counts in the first set. Yes, start everyone. 10 counts. Yes. Yes, bring your torso also down. And try, your body should not swing too much. Yes. Yes. Neeti, when you go on your elbows, your torso should be down. First initial counts were fine. Now make sure in the next set. So once our body starts getting tired, what happens is that, we get into that comfort zone. So the first 5 reps of most of you were fine. After that, your torso started hanging up even when your body was in the elbow plank. So make sure that doesn't happen, and also don't let your body swing too much. Okay, engage your core. Alright, let's do second set. 12 counts everyone. And you can do this movement faster if you are able to do. Radhika, torso down. Keep looking straight, Parag, look straight. Don't look down, look straight. Yes, much better, much better. Yes, good, good. Yes. Yes. Once you are done, you will get up and walk a bit before you do the third set. Walk a bit. Okay. Now let's do the third set, 15 counts, same movement. Suicide planks, 15 counts. So even if you do 10 counts and 5 counts, I'm fine with that. You need to finish 15 counts. Okay, 15 counts in the third set. Same movement. Yes, very good. Yes, very nice. Keep that going. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Don't hold your breath. Don't look down. Neck should be neutral. Keep looking straight towards your mat. Yes. Good, good, good. Carry on, carry on. Yes, good, good. 15 counts. Even if you break your counts, I'm fine. But finish 15. Good, Radhika. Good, good, good. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, relax. Alright. The next movement that we are going to do is Hindu push-ups. We have 3 variations to it. I'll show you the advanced version, then a slightly scaled down, and then the third one which is slightly more scaled down. Alright. So I will even guide some of you what you can choose. Okay. So the usual Hindu push-ups, I'll show you a side view because that's more understandable. You need to be in the mountain pose like this to begin. Okay. Now from here, the movement starts like this. So you go down. When you reach here, you come back the same way. You go down, reach here, come back the same way. Okay. Now this is point 1. The scale down version can be you go down and you come back. You go down and come back. Okay, this is the second. Alright. The third is, suppose you are not able to go down like this. So what you do is, go down in the cobra, come up in the mountain. Go down in the cobra, come up in the mountain. Okay, got it? Let's try the advanced version. Okay. I think all of you, so Neeti, you try the advanced version. Dipen, Vikram and Parag. You will be doing the second types, which is this one. You go down and you come back up straight. Go down like this and come back up straight. Okay. Radhika, you will be doing, Radhika and Kunal, you will be starting with your cobra and mounting. If you feel this is easy, you can do the second types, which is this one. Alright, yes? Let's try it. 5 counts only. Only 5. Yes. Neeti, good try. Neeti, very good. Go down. Come up, Neeti, more. Yes, good try, good try. Only 5 counts. Yes. Good, Kunal, good. Yes. Yes. Good, Neeti, good. Yes. Okay. Take a breather. This is an advanced movement. Alright. In the second round, do 7 counts. Okay. I think the second type of movement, which was a midway, must be possible for most of you. Need you try doing the full version in the 2-3 and then move to the second version in which you go down but come back up normal. Alright. Parag, you were comfortable? Yes? Okay. Alright. So, Radhika, you carry on with cobra and mountain. Okay. Kunal, you also. Well done. So, that movement was coming fine. 7 reps in the second set. Let's do that. Neeti, try coming up full. That's fine. I understand your body is tired. Yes. Yes. Good, Dipen. Good. Excellent. Yes. Parag, try to come down in the mountain only. Okay? So just watch it. Parag, just watch it. So you are here. So once you are here, be in the mountain, and from here only try going down in the cobra. Okay? And come back up normal only. Yes. So that your shoulder, your traps, yes. Yes, much better, much better. 7 counts, everyone. Yes. Okay, take a breather. In the third set also 7 counts. We won't be increasing the counts for this movement too much. It's an advanced movement. Let's do that 7 counts in the third set. After you have taken a breather of 30 seconds or so, 30 to 45 seconds breather, then do the third set 7 counts. Yes, Niti, start third set. Yes, Dipen, let's do that. Yes. Good, Niti. Don't let your thighs touch the floor. Yes. Vikram, slightly widen your hands. That will give you a better grip. Yes, yes. Now do it. Much better, much better. Go down from your shoulders. Yes. Yes, very good, Niti. Good, good, good. Good, good. Never mind, never mind. Carry on. 7 counts. Once you are done, you get up and start walking.